In this video, we are going to focus on any problem. You can see the image of the way of learning and the course flow. We have design, adapt and evaluate the architecture. Now we will define and identify a new problem. So in this step, we are asking ourselves what's wrong with the current architecture, how can we improve the current architecture. So the problem is deploy microservices at any time with zero downtime and flexible scale of the deployment times. So this is one of the main problem when we are first starting the microservices, and now it is time to solve this problem. Basically, our business teams is growing and business teams are separated teams as per the departments, product, sales and payment. And all teams want to add new features immediately in order to compete the market. So business teams wants to be agile, innovative and experiment new features as soon as possible. In order to compete the market, they would like to deploy features immediately, not waiting for deployment dates. So they need to deploy features immediately, not waiting for deployment dates. Also, they would like to be flexible scale for market peak times. For example, they want to provide best customer experience at Black Friday sales. That means it requires to handle and process millions of requests in an acceptable latency with the better performance. And we should handle and process millions of requests in an acceptable latency with better performance in our e-commerce application, and deployments should be zero downtime and flexible scale. So we should have some considerations. There are several reasons why microservices may need to be deployed with zero downtime, and here you can see the considerations. The microservices should be deployed with zero downtime because they should ensure continuity of service and minimize the disruption. So that means in many cases microservices are part of a larger system that provide critical service to users. Downtime can have serious consequences, for example lost revenue, frustrated users and damage to organization reputation. By deploying microservices with zero downtime, the overall system can continue to function without interruption and minimize disruption. And also we should consider allowing for continuous delivery. Zero downtime deployment allows for continuous delivery, where new code can be deployed frequently and continuously without causing disruption to the users, customers and other services. This can help organizations move faster and be more agile. And also another consideration is support high traffic environments. In high traffic environments, even a short period of downtime can have a significant impact for the customers. Deploying microservices with zero downtime can help to ensure that the system can handle the demand of high traffic environments such as the Black Friday day. As a solution, we should apply the microservices deployments using the containers and orchestrators. And we should also learn and apply deployment strategies. Those are the blue-green deployment, rolling deployment and canary deployments. And we should also use Kubernetes and Kubernetes patterns, which are the sidecar pattern and service mesh pattern. And also we will use DevOps and CI/CD pipeline best practices and use infrastructure as code tools. We will continue to learn all these concepts in the next section.